For our anniversary date, we decided to have a quick day tour here at Pine Hills Farm in Marilake. Cause lately, we really just enjoy hanging out sa mga lugar na may magagandang view. Tapos, pipiknik lang kami. Parang nababalikan kasi namin yung mga experience namin before nung namumundok pa. Pero ngayon, limited na nga lang kasi may baby na. 150 ang entrance dito kapag day tour and 250 naman kapag overnight. If may itatayo kayong tent or tarp, may additional 200. We decided to cook our own food para tipid at magamit na rin namin yung mga lutuan namin dati. Pero they have in-house resto na Turquesa yung name, if in case ayaw nyo magluto. Malawak yung lupain nila, pwede kayong maglakad-lakad and meron din silang available accommodations if you want to stay longer. Ang na-observe lang namin is yung CR and water source nila is pwede pang ma-improve and medyo may konting kalayuan din sa campsite. Kayang-kaya tong puntahan ng lahat ng sasakyan kasi tabing kalsada yung entry point niya. And dahil doon, please expect na marinig nyo yung mga nagre-revolusyon ng mga sasakyan, especially along Marilake siya. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay sa kanilang napakagandang overlooking camping grounds. But we would prefer day trip only and not overnight, especially if may batang kasama. So if you're looking for something different for your next date, try nyo mag-nature trip here at Pine Hills Farm in Marilake. Yun lang guys, till our next trip, bye!